So let me know if this sounds something like you. You were growing up, your parents set up your bank accounts for you, and then you've had that bank account ever since, and have just said to yourself, oh, this is the one that I'm going to bank with, because you've always had it. What if I told you that there were 5 savings accounts to bank with that you may or may not have even heard of, but most of them can generate you over 4% in interest a year? You might not have even ever heard of these, but I'm here to tell you and spread the gospel of these new banks that are going to be able to generate you more money than most likely the bank that you're with now. Now, if you're new here, I want you to go ahead and smash that like button harder than this guy playing whack-a-mole. You can see this little tiny button over there in the bottom right. Go ahead and it says click me. Go ahead and click that one too. Now, what are the things that you want when it comes to a bank account? You definitely want something that's going to be FDIC insured, which means if something happens to it, you're guaranteed to get your money back. You want something that's going to be able to give you a solid interest rate, which means when you hold your money in something like this, you want to be able to get a good return on it. You also don't want many fees. You don't want fees for parking your money there, fees for transfers. Those are things you don't want as well. So number 1 on the list is actually going to be CIT Bank, which, don't confuse this with Citibank. It is something entirely different. If you put $5,000 into the platform, you're going to be able to get a 4.75% interest rate right now, which honestly, for many places, this is way higher than the going interest rate nationally for the year. So this is going to be somewhere where you can definitely park your money and get a good return on that. But wait, there's more. This bank is also FDIC insured up to $250,000, which is the standard. And also, there's no monthly fees. You want to transfer things out, you want to park your money in there, there's not going to be a fee for doing that, so you're going to be good to go if you decide to bank with this group. Remember to hit the like button. Coming up next on our list is going to be BMO. I will have links to all these down below in the description, so you can go ahead if you want to sign up. It doesn't help me at all. It's not like I'm sponsored or anything. I'm way too small for that. But this is also going to be FDIC insured. This has no maintenance fees as well. There is no minimum opening deposit, so this is also good. What this means right here is you can, even put $1 into the bank and you're still going to be able to open up a bank account with them with only $1. So this bank also has bonuses for new members, such as you can get up to $350 when you open a new checking account with them if you deposit $7,500 or more. So if you have that, you open up a bank with them, they will give you $750 as just a good for being you bonus. Now, last but certainly not least, their interest rate at the time of making this video is 4.30% APY, so that is the average percentage yield of the year. So this is also a very good bang for your buck. Make sure you stick around to the end. The 5th bank is going to be one of our top ones, and you're not going to want to miss it. Coming up at number 3 is going to be Synchrony Bank. This bank right here is going to give you a 4.15% interest rate on your money. Has great app coverage, so you can download the mobile app on, the Synchrony mobile app. That is actually a very good, highly rated app that's easy to use and learn. And this bank is also obviously FDIC insured. Coming in at number 4 on our list is going to be Marcus by Goldman Sachs. This is going to give you a 3.9% interest rate, which is still very good for the time. This is obviously, of course, going to be FDIC insured as well. I wouldn't recommend any bank that's going to be non-FDIC insured because you want to make sure that your money is safe wherever you're parking it. So this bank will actually offer same-day transfers. So when you transfer money to that bank, you're going to be able to get it the same day. Some other banks will take a day or two for it to hit your bank account, but not with Marcus by Goldman Sachs. You're going to be able to get your money the same day at that point in time. This bank also has a 24/7 call center, which means that if you have any problems with your account, day or night, weekends, you are going to be able to get someone on the phone to make sure that your problem gets resolved in time that you need it to get resolved. This company also has state-of-the-art app features, so you are going to be in good hands by downloading that mobile app so you can go ahead and utilize your bank account 24/7 on the go and on the fly. Coming in at number 5 with the highest interest rate on the market out of the banks that I have seen so far is going to be Western Alliance. Coming in at a 4.85 5% interest rate when you are parking your money with them. This is going to be the top one that I have seen so far out of a savings account. This is a trusted institution with a #1 top performing bank with assets greater than 50 billion. So you are in good hands with these guys. They are also FDIC insured and have a large cyber protection. They put a lot of their money into making sure that no one is going to be taking yours. And this bank also has 24/7 online access, so you're going to be in good hands with them. So all 5 of these I would highly recommend. You can get on their websites. I'll have links down below to that. And then if you want to see a video, you know, if you're scared to invest in the stock market because of how volatile it is, I want you to go ahead and check out this video. Thanks.